Are you tired of ants taking over your yard and home? Whether they're fire ants or regular ants, I'm going to show you how to get rid of them immediately. And you're going to be able to see the results for yourself after I apply this product. So as you can see, all these ants that are along this wall, which is inside of this shop. Now, I kind of hit the ant hill, and now that's why you see a lot of ants and the ant eggs exposed. But what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of all these ants using this product right here, and it's called Ortho Fire Ant Killer. Now this right here says 6-month protection, which is great. It says it kills fire ants, but it really kills any ants, as I'm gonna show you on this video. So it's real easy to apply. So first you just pour the granules out on top of the mound or on top of the ants. And as soon as you do that, you will start seeing them react to it immediately. So they're just scattering everywhere, right? But if you look at them when you do it, they're going to just be like in shock when they're running around. So this anthill actually goes from the inside to the outside. So I'm applying this ant killer all around it, all on top of the anthill. So now I'm outside pouring it on top of that, and it was kind of hard to get it on top of that part in the middle, but I kind of hit it a little bit shortly. Yeah, right here. So I hit it with a hoe and exposed these eggs and more ants. So I tried to pour some more on top of that. Couldn't really get it to like sit on top of those ants, but it still worked. So here's a zoom in of what's actually going on with these ants when the ant killer is applied. And this is the bag I'm using, as you can see. So the bag says it kills them in 15 minutes, but you will start seeing them react to it immediately. So what I'm doing now is just taking like a flathead screwdriver and kind of knocking the dirt around the ant hill more so I can kind of see where the ants are. And as you can see, once I did that, them ants went crazy again. That's me pouring more granule on the ground where the ants were. And then this is all of what I poured from the front, from the inside to the outside. Also, what they recommend you do is sprinkle some water on top of it to, I guess, let it soak in, and for them to be able to absorb it more. So I'm gonna find a good setting. This is fine, like it's raining. Shower setting, I guess. Sprinkle that. All right, that's what it looks like a couple days later. No signs of ants at all. As you can see, no signs of ants at all. When I kick this, normally ants will be coming out crazy. But as you can see, there's nothing. So this stuff really works. It really works. Get yours today. Check out the link in the comment section. It's gonna take you to Amazon to get your ant killer today. So I had some more ant hills around this shop, so I ended up tackling those too. This one right here goes on the outside of the shop, so poured some Ortho Ant Killer on top of that. So here's a close-up of the beads or the granules on top of the anthill. Now there's another one on the side of the shop right here that I'm pouring the ant killer on top of. But yeah, if you let these ants stay there, they're gonna eventually go inside because they're like right up against your building, in this case, the shop. So they've been there for a while, but I'm finally addressing it. Now, after I do that, of course, we got to spray the water on top of that. And you spray a little bit. I probably sprayed a little too much, but yeah, to spray a little bit. And now the ants are up and moving around, trying to figure out what to do. I mean, it really amazed me at how quick this actually worked. As soon as you apply the granules on there, it's in action. The water just intensifies it. So as you can see here, this is how the ants are actually responding to this ant killer. Like they'll fall down, they're shaking. I mean, they're really in shock. Some of them are falling off the wall, as you can see. But I mean, it's actually working. It's quick. As soon as I pour the granules on there, I mean, they'll respond to it. They'll respond to the granules, but definitely when I spray the water on top of it, I mean, it's really like the end of these ants at that point. This product claims that it works for over 6 months, plus killing them within 15 minutes or less. I mean, that's a win-win, right? So I came back out there the next day so I can show you the results. But normally, if I touch an ant pile, it's gonna be thousands of ants coming out, right? But watch. Let's go right here first. So there would have been thousands of ants coming out right here. Thousands. But there's none. None. It works. So after seeing the results of this product, do you think it did its job? Do you think it did what it claimed to do, which is to kill the ants? Let me know. Would you buy it? Let me know in the comment section. Let's talk about it. My opinion, I definitely would buy it again for it executing on its claim, for the value, and for how quickly it executed on its claim. I'll definitely give it a 9 out of 10. But let me know what you think about it. If you got value out this video, show some love and smash to subscribe, like, and bell notification to get the latest HE content. And if you like this video, definitely check out the next video.